Hello dear family of our channel. In this video, we will see how to watch TikTok videos without internet. Now we will touch our TikTok profile and then as you can see we will press the 3 dashes in the upper right corner. Then we go to settings and privacy. Finally, scroll down and click on offline video. Choose the number of videos we want in order to download. We can watch by following the same procedure when there is no internet. To delete the video we have seen, we can clear it by pressing the setting button at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get such technology-related information quickly.